Hi everyone, welcome to this Shopify tutorial. My name is Andreas Waatz and today we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn how we can change our Shopify theme. Alright, so to do this just go to your Shopify backend in your Shopify store. Go to online store, click on themes, and here we see our current theme. I use simple. Alright, you can do this two ways. If you already know which theme you want to use, you can just click on free theme. Click right here, explore free themes, and here you can choose the one you want to have in your Shopify store. So let's say I want to have Brooklyn. So you can read about the theme right here, the features, the styles included. And if you want to have this one, just click on add Brooklyn. Then click on actions. You can click on preview and then click on publish. If you have already built your Shopify store, you may have to do some custom work to suit this theme. Alright, and for all of you that don't know which theme to use, you can click on visit theme store. You can go down and you see trending this week. We have free themes. Shopify have 10 free themes that you can use. So let's say we want to check out Brooklyn. We can just search Brooklyn. Okay, click on Brooklyn. And here we see two styles included. We can also check demo. So here you can see a demo of the Shopify store. Let's click on the product. Alright, we can go back. You can also read about theme features right here. Some more right here. And you can also read the reviews. See what other Shopify store owners think about this theme. Alright, and if you like this theme, just click on add theme right here or right here. Okay, and then you can do the same thing. So we can do a preview. So as you can see, I need to make some changes to fit this theme. And if you want to have this theme, just click on publish. Then go to publish. Alright, so now we have the current theme as Brooklyn. If you change your mind, just go to your theme that you had before, click on publish, publish, and it's all back. Alright, so simple theme. We can have a preview like that. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change your Shopify theme in 2019.
Okay everyone, so I hope this was a helpful tutorial. If you want more of these videos, you can subscribe to my channel right here. You can check out my playlist right here and my latest video right here. Okay, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.